I think I felt I got to know the industry well enough to where I'd be able to run everything myself, from understanding the machines, the employees, the clientele. I didn't know what an SBA loan was before they'd help me out with it. Working with Claudio and Jeff was really a good experience. My name is Scott Lopez. I'm the owner of Fonzo. We do hospitality furniture. We'll get art pieces, signage, bar tops, tabletops, booths, design everything. We install everything. So we are full-on shop from start to finish. Every single day is a very new challenge and a new design that we have to figure out and build. The name Fonzo comes from my great-grandfather, whose name is Alfonso. He built the Flamingo in Vegas, did all the upholstery there for the very original one. I've always been building furniture and all kinds of different construction pieces my whole life. It's what I love to do and it's what I want to do. The biggest advice I give to other business owners is you gotta love it. Working with Claudio and Jeff was really a good experience. They simplified it for me. It was just one day at a time. I definitely thought it was going to be less of a relationship. They put me in a lot of networking events and they connected me with a lot of people that helped me with accounting and insurance. They are definitely in tune with the community in many ways. The relationship I had with them felt like a personal relationship versus a big corporate bank structure. Everyone that works in the bank, so friendly, everyone knows my face, knows my name, and it's always a good time every time I go in there. When I got the SBA loan, the very first thing we purchased was all the machines in the shop. We have a massive table saw, we have a big CNC machine. In order for us to start making things and get our operations going, we had to have all those machines. Me as a small business owner, working with National Bank of Arizona is a good relationship personally and around the community. If you're starting a business tomorrow, getting a relationship with National Bank of Arizona is going to be very, very helpful. I would say the biggest reason out of everything is the relationship that you have with them. You trust them. You feel good about working with them. You feel like you're in a good place and you know you're going to be taken care of.